Come on, everyone. Huntrix is about to start their world tour. Don't take a nap, girls. The Saja boys are here. Those gremlins stole all the plane equipment. It's time for you girls to hunt some demons. Or at least reclaim all of your stolen stuff. Either way, it still beats commercial travel. Oh, our first customer! 1 slice of cake with extra eye of newt. Check the fridge. All out of newt eyes. But some spider candy floss is just what we need. Not what he ordered, but he doesn't seem to mind. Next, this demon wants fried chicken. Extra maggots! Guess we need to make another substitution. Well, I guess you can't beat a little brain food. Nothing hits the spot like goblin pie. Of course, it's gonna need some special sauce. And you're gonna want something you can really chew on. Here, throw it in the oven for a hot spell. And while we wait, get some flies for toppings. Let it cool and cut out a slice. Ooh, must be that special pistachio slime. Uh-oh, it looks like the lunch rush is in session. Is it too late to install one of those kiosks? Well, it's Rumi's time to shine. Look at those bugs. Catch them all. They could be our special ingredient. We're gonna need to whip up a real crowd pleaser. Let's add something to make it all go down easy. Don't forget to puree. Some monsters prefer smooth to chunky. Though it's the opposite when it comes to peanut butter. Okay, everyone, it's important to hydrate. And just a tip, take a number for the water closet. But first, we gotta take care of these locks. This might take a while. Okay, step on in, do your business. Let's just hope we've stocked up on air fresheners. Wow, he left us a missing part. Ooh, guess even pop stars need to clean up after themselves. Okay, Rumi, you're on vacuuming this week. Hey, you hear something? It sounds like a cat. I think it's time we investigate. Or even better, it's our furry friend, Derpy. Wait a minute, it's a whole lot of little derpies. Keep looking. If we're lucky, we'll find ourselves a derpy dozen. We'll take care of you, starting with a fresh new diaper. Let's wipe away those tears, or scrub rather. Now we should give you new tidy whities. Nothing beats fresh swaddling clothes. Hungry? Guess it's not gonna stay clean for long. You can never have too many derpy kittens. Mama Derpy has a little surprise for you. Ooh, Rumi's got a special mystery date. But he'd look better with, well, a head. Contestant number 1. A demogorgon? Maybe we should save the beasts for beauty. Next up. Sorry, Pinky doesn't go with that shirt. Any guesses to who contestant number 3 is? Ginu! As if you didn't already guess. I mean, these two already have a bit in common. But I think he might be a bad influence on you. Maybe she just needs something to settle her stomach. Rumi's special ramyuns, just what the doctor ordered. We're gonna need special ingredients. Like a nice refreshing blast of soda. Mix it all up. Make sure it's nice and sticky. It's not for eating, it's to clear up your face.
Ew, yuck.
Add on some cucumbers for that nice summer smell. Talk about saving face. But let's do something for your arms. Try a nice foamy soap. Make sure you brush it in. And there's always time for a manicure. Clip those nails. And wipe off that polish. After all, let's save the purple for those nails. What color should we use? How about pink? Mira swears by this shade. She uses it for highlights. And hair is basically nails anyway. Looks like Mira's found something. Hey, it's Sussy! So cute. Why don't we whip up something special for you? See? This tree makes for the perfect pad. Ooh, he's thirsty. But I don't think he does bottles. Well, at least without a little adjustment. Remember, it's important to stay hydrated. Rumi, let down your hair. Now Sussy can ride the purple swing. Hungry? We'll whip up something special for you. Try Mira's ramyun. What? You prefer tteokbokki? Maybe we can dig up a solution. Probably should call the museum. Wait a minute. Worms! Delicious, nutritious worms! They're Sussy's favorite. Bon appetit. All your hard work won't go unrewarded. The next part. Next up, we've got a little computer game for you. It's a K-pop Demon Hunters paper doll game. Sans paper. Let's start with the basics, like skin and face. That really is basic. Now let's pick a new hairdo. Rumi knows not to mess with success. And you can't go wrong with a classic outfit. But these aren't fashion dolls, they're battle bots. Use the power of that outfit to take down that Saja boy. Uh-oh, where's some cheat codes when you need them? But you just can't keep a good Huntrix girl down. We have a winner! Congrats, Rumi! 2 out of 3? Just kidding. It's time to collect your winnings. Huntrix is having fun on a summer hike. Well, that was the idea, at least. Axes. I know. Let's build a way to success. Okay, does everybody have an axe? Well then, it's time to get chopping. Wood, that is. It's time to step on out of here. Hop your way to the top. These girls can accomplish anything together. A path to lost treasure. But which one do we take? We just want to make sure it's safe. Make a little ball and roll it on down. This will help us find which path is the safest route. Let's hope that third time's the charm. Oh, the treasure is so close, but so far away! We need special symbols to help open the lock. Well, it's clear it's time for us to go fishing.
Ew.
We need a starfish, a shell, and a guppy. And a few little extra items on the way. The treasure is ours! And we've got the final part!
Phew.
Seatbelts on, the maiden voyage can commence. Now that's what I call an entrance. Okay, Saja boys, you're a great opening act. But it's time for the real show to begin. Because, above all else, these girls are golden. Something's in the trash. That you, Oscar? Mira? Zoey? Rumi! They've turned into cats! Or maybe they're just kitty cosplayers. Either way, Jinu's taking you guys home. Do they offer obedience school for cats? If they do, we should really look into that. But first, we need to find those naughty kitties. Here's Zoey. I think Rumi's behind the potted plant. Last but not least, Mira. Ooh, they're so messy. Don't worry, Derpy's here with cleaning supplies. Soon, our feisty felines will be as good as new. And it looks like it's lunchtime. Who wants Rumi ramen? Let's hope there's extra fish cakes. Kitties love seafood. All done? Now it's time for you three to take a nap. When you wake up, you kittens are getting some mittens. And possibly pie. Oh, quick! Someone grab the camera!